Manalo, pangalawang tira. Sara, pangalawang tira. Na-rebound muli ni Manalo. Ang ganda ng napihin na yun! Sara lang! Number 7. Sa traveling violation, number 7 is the Tolosa. Paragoso. Ano? Na-steal ni Manalo. Manalo. Ay, luwag na luwag na luwag. May pang-rapid. Sayang. Number 12. Roll back. Okay, back to the ball game. Bonus shot. Pasok ang pangalawang tira ng 17. Abdurrahman. Pinahal ulit ng Manalo. Pinasa na yung po. Good for 2 points. Good for 2 points by Mr. Manalo. Gredo. Ganda naman yun. May lahat. Nandito si Manalo. Pero may natulog. Apat na po si Santos.
This is the 2025 NGB Community Cup, and I'm here with our best player of the game. Would you like to introduce yourself? Woohoo! Eagles po. So tell me, what was your favorite moment of your game?
My favorite moment in the game was blocking Pedro and Aishan Abdurrahman. And it was really momentum for us to win the game. Thank you.
So kanina po from the first to third quarter po medyo seeso yung laro ninyo. How did you guys manage to stay ahead ng fourth quarter?
Just moving the ball around and making wise decisions in the game. Yes.
So anong strategy niyo para sa next game ninyo?
We'll try to get more involved with other people and hopefully our full roster comes in place.
Thank you so much. So may gusto ko pang i-shoutout sa video natin.
Shout out to my mother and father and blue and green team. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much and congrats.